For the following polynomial function, find all zeros and their multiplicities. We have f of x, which is equal to x minus 2 cubed times x squared minus 7. So when we want to find the zeros of the function, that means we're going to take this factored form, which is x minus 2 cubed times x squared minus 7, and then we're going to set it equal to 0. Now we're going to set both of these factored forms equal to 0. So we have x minus 2 equals 0, or x squared minus 7, which is equal to 0. If we solve for x minus 2, we're going to add 2 to both sides, and then we can see that x equals 2 is one of the zeros. Or over here, we're going to add 7 to both sides, so we get x squared is equal to positive 7. Now remember, we're isolating and solving x, so we need to take the square root of both sides. Now when we take the square root of the constant, don't forget this is plus or minus the square root of 7. So x is going to equal plus or minus the square root of 7. Okay. Now the next thing that we need to talk about are the multiplicities. Now remember that the number of times a zero occurs is referred to as a multiplicity of the zero. So if you look here, we have x minus 2 to the third power. So that third tells us that there's 3 zeros of x minus 2. So we're going to say the following. We know that 2 with a multiplicity of 3, negative square root of 7, and positive square root of 7 are zeros of the function. So let's go ahead and answer this question. So we have 2 with the multiplicity of 3 as the first option. We have the square root of 7, negative square root of 7. So it looks like we have A as our answer. Check our answer, and there is our result.